Hello, dear my students. Let's start our online computer class. So now open your computer book Cyber Hub, Standard 3, page number 32. Setting tab stops. Tabs are predefined positions on the ruler bar. The cursor jumps to the next tab position when you press the tab key. Tab stops keep the columns of text straight and ordered. You have the option to set the tab stops by clicking on the ruler according to your need. Dear my students, here you see it is your ruler bar. So tabs are predefined position on the ruler bar. Here you see different position of tabs. So you have different option to set tab stops by clicking on the ruler. Then tab stops are removed by dragging them off the ruler. By default, the tabs in WordPad are set at every 0.5 or half inch. Here you see half inch. You can press Shift plus Tab to move the cursor backward. When the ruler bar is not visible, it is ruler bar. When the ruler bar is not visible, then click on View tab and select the option. Then creating a bulleted list. How can you create a bulleted list? You see these dots, it is also bulleted list, and here you see these are also bulleted list. Okay, so how can you create this bulleted list? To insert a bulleted list, follow these steps. Step 1. In order to create a bulleted list, select the text at which you wish to start the bullet list. So first you select the text. Okay, your first step is you select the text. Then step 2, click on the drop down arrow of bullets button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Then you click on drop down arrow of bullets button. Here you see it is bullets button in paragraph group on the Home tab. So you select or click on this bullets button. Then step 3 is you will see various bulleted list of options to choose from. Then you choose. You see here various or different types of bulleted list. So you choose one of them. Then step 4, select a style. Suppose you select this suppose you select this. Then bullets appear in the highlighted box. Then you see that bullet in the highlighted text. Then step 5, to remove the bulleted list, click on bullets button again and click on none. You see here bulleted or bullet is applied here. If you want to remove the bulleted list, then click again on bullets button, then click on none. Okay, then here this bullet or this bulleted list will disappear from the selected word or text. Next, inserting date and time. How can you insert date and time? To insert the current date and time, follow these steps. Step 1. Step 1. Click date and time option in the insert group on the home tab. So first you click date and time option. Where it is present? It is present in the insert group of home tab. Then step 2, you will see the date and time dialog box. When you click on date and time option, you will see the date and time dialog box. It is date and time dialog box. Then step 3, select the desired format from the available formats for date and time. Then you select a format. Here you see different format of date and time. Then you select a format. Then step 4, click on OK button. After select, you click on OK button. Then step 5, observe the changes that appear. Here you see it is appear in the document. Okay, so like this you insert date and time. So dear my students, today your homework is you read setting tab stops, creating a bulleted list and inserting date and time. You remember these steps. Okay, so dear my students, your chapter 3 is over. So you read this chapter 3 again. Okay, thank you my dear students.